In the relentless world of business, efficiency is king and cost control is paramount. Every penny saved is a penny earned, and nowhere is this truer than in the realm of materials management. This often overlooked aspect of business can be a goldmine for savvy companies. By focusing on how materials are acquired, stored, and used, businesses can unlock significant cost savings and enhance their overall value. From raw materials to finished products, the journey of materials through the supply chain offers numerous opportunities for optimization. By carefully managing inventory levels, negotiating favorable prices with suppliers, and minimizing waste, companies can streamline their operations and boost their bottom line. In essence, materials management is about getting the most out of every dollar spent on the materials that are essential to a business's success. This essay will delve into the various strategies and techniques that companies can employ to make materials management a driving force for cost reduction and value improvement. From exploring alternative materials to embracing innovative inventory systems, we'll uncover the secrets to unlocking hidden value in every step of the supply chain. So buckle up as we embark on a journey to discover how materials management can transform businesses from the ground up.
Controlling costs in materials management starts with the materials themselves. Cheaper alternatives can often be used without sacrificing quality. Understanding material roles in production is crucial. For example, a less expensive plastic might save costs without affecting performance. Balancing cost and quality is essential. The cheapest material can compromise product integrity. Rigorous testing ensures substitutions don't harm the final product. Collaboration with engineers and designers is key to finding viable alternatives. Staying updated on material advancements is vital. New materials can offer better performance at lower costs. This proactive approach keeps businesses competitive.
While choosing the right materials is crucial, minimizing waste throughout the supply chain is equally important. Waste can take many forms, from excess inventory and obsolete materials to scrap generated during production. Identifying and eliminating these sources of waste can significantly reduce costs and improve a business's environmental footprint. One effective way to minimize waste is to implement lean manufacturing principles, which focus on eliminating non-value-added activities and streamlining processes. This might involve optimizing production schedules to reduce setup times, implementing just-in-time inventory systems to minimize storage costs, or adopting more efficient manufacturing techniques that generate less scrap. By continuously analyzing and improving their processes, businesses can identify and eliminate sources of waste, leading to a more efficient and cost-effective operation. Furthermore, businesses should explore opportunities to reuse or recycle waste materials whenever possible. This not only reduces waste disposal costs, but can also generate additional revenue streams. For example, scrap metal can be sold to recycling facilities, while excess packaging materials can be reused for other purposes. By embracing a circular economy mindset, businesses can minimize their environmental impact while also unlocking hidden value in their waste streams. Remember, waste represents inefficiency and lost potential. By adopting a proactive approach to waste reduction, businesses can optimize their resource utilization, reduce their environmental footprint, and improve their overall profitability.
Negotiating with suppliers isn't just about getting the lowest price. It's about building relationships that can lead to better terms, faster delivery times, and even exclusive access to new products. You see, when you foster a strong partnership with your suppliers, you can unlock a lot of hidden value.
Providing warehouse and distribution services can significantly reduce shipping costs, but it's important to manage these services effectively. If not, you could end up with inefficiencies that actually increase your costs. So, it's a balancing act, really.
For small businesses, applying materials management techniques can seem daunting, but it's absolutely worth it. By optimizing inventory levels and improving supplier relationships, you can uncover efficiencies that save money and boost your bottom line. It's all about finding those hidden opportunities.
The power of collaboration. Before we dive into transforming buyers into suppliers, let's take a moment to understand the immense power of collaboration. In today's interconnected world, businesses that thrive are those that leverage partnerships and collaborative efforts. Whether it's co-developing products, sharing resources, or joint marketing initiatives, collaboration can open doors to new opportunities and drive innovation. Consider a small tech startup that partners with a local university. By collaborating on research and development, the startup gains access to cutting-edge technology and fresh talent, while the university benefits from real-world applications and potential commercial success. This win-win scenario not only accelerates product development but also fosters an ecosystem of mutual growth and learning. Moreover, collaboration isn't limited to external partners. Within your organization, fostering a culture of teamwork and open communication can lead to breakthroughs and efficiencies that you might never achieve alone. Encourage cross-departmental projects, regular brainstorming sessions, and an environment where every team member feels valued and heard. By embracing collaboration, you set the stage for the advanced strategies we'll discuss next, including transforming buyers into suppliers. It's about building a network of support and shared success, ensuring your business is resilient and adaptable in the face of change. So start looking for opportunities to collaborate and watch as your business reaches new heights. Pause 3S. Now let's explore an advanced strategy that can truly revolutionize your business, transforming buyers into suppliers. Imagine a scenario where your customers become your partners, contributing to your inventory and supply chain. This concept not only reduces costs, but also fosters a sense of community and loyalty among your clientele. For instance, consider a local bakery that sources fresh fruits from its customers' backyard gardens. Not only does this ensure the freshest ingredients, but it also strengthens the bond between the business and the community. It's about creating a symbiotic relationship where everyone benefits. Implementing this strategy involves clear communication and a robust system to manage contributions and quality. But the rewards can be immense, transforming your business model and driving sustainable growth. So, think outside the box and explore how your buyers can play a crucial role in your supply chain, paving the way for a more resilient and innovative business. Pause 3S.